Hello everybody, Suman Pachigulla here, and this is a WhatsApp message we got, and here one recruiter is asking for help about the strings. So we get so many, but we just thought of focusing on this one and see how we could help the person. All right. So here are the requirements that this recruiter has. So this is the requirement about. Let me zoom it a little bit if we can see. Yes, this is a engineer. The person has mentioned 3 years of experience in security engineering or operation. So it looks like it's a cybersecurity engineer working experience with FireEye. All right. Now let me build a search string for this person and see how it is going to help the person. At the same time, if you are also working on similar requirement, and it will help you to understand as well. All right. So let me start doing it. So first thing, let's understand it. What is this all about? So here the client is looking for 3 years of experience in security engineering and or operations of information security. So when it comes about information security, right, information security, so it could be a cyber security, right, cyber security as well. So where it is related to internet online. Now hands-on experience working with FireEye. All right. So it is FireEye. So FireEye could be a security firewall, or it could be a software which can help prevent intrusion and that sort of thing. Now, good knowledge of security technology such as IDS or IPS. So they're looking for other related technologies about IDS. What is IDS? IDS is like intrusion detection systems, or it's a intrusion prevention systems. All right. And sandbox capabilities. All right. So we can use IDS or IPS. So first, what I'm doing is I'm collecting what could be the words that I can use as a keyword. At the same time, I'm trying to understand it by line. All right. Now, and next it comes in what else? Sandbox capabilities. Okay. So here I believe when it comes to security, what is sandbox is a kind of a monitoring and testing sort of thing, the security test, that the software or the code or whatever the function that is going to be isolated in one particular area, or and that is going to be penetrated or tested whether we could able to break into that particular software, the program, or not. All right. So that could be called sandboxing. So this could be not be a skill that everybody involves. Maybe they work and they do that, so we can ask that. All right. Log monitoring, what is that going on, they'll do that monitoring. What else? Firewalls. Okay, I'm just trying to gather information. Web proxies. Okay. All right. Now DLP, CSB, SIEM, DNS security. So many are there we related to security. So what you do is you should be looking for the meaning of it. It is definitely related to security and prevention of that, and Active Directory. Maybe this is related to giving access, permission, and that sort. All right. Now here, strong communication and listening skills and thorough approach to complex problem solving, decision making ability, and high motivation towards setting of deliverable excellence. All right. Now, ability to listen, establish relationship, gain consensus, rapidly establish credibility with and gain confidence of multiple areas across the organization. All right. Now, understanding and framing business needs and technical imperatives, and inspiring confidence with a variety of internal and external stakeholders. Now here, understanding and framing business need and technical imperatives. Okay. Now demonstrate exceptional teamwork and so on. So this is a hands-on role of a security engineer, and what is that we are looking for is, so we can look for security or information security. Okay, you can write IS. Okay, it may pull that is, right, information security, security, information security, or cyber security, anything of it is okay with me. And I'm going to look for and what is the role we are looking for? We're looking for could be engineer, okay, or security, what else, analyst, all right, and or it could be specialist, right? All right, so here we covered anything, right? Security engineer, security analyst, specialist, anything that comes in. Now it is a must, right? Fire I. All right, let me take the call from my dad and I'll get back, people. All right, here I'm back once again with the requirement. And yes, so what is that we have understood so far is the person will be hands on doing the work in such a way that the security part has been taken care. All right, now here I would write the titles here and this one. So here I could definitely write, right, we could write what, security engineer, security analyst, security specialist, information security engineer, information security analyst. So many things we may write, but that's the reason I just wanted to isolate in a different manner. Fire I, right, they are looking for a fire I. Or what if other people write fire I in a different manner? Okay, so this is the primary thing, right? So this is the first thing I want to have along with this. And here we definitely these people definitely have intrusion detection system experience or prevention system experience. They have mentioned it because they said or, right? So I go with that. And so here anything that has been mentioned over here, okay, I'm going to look for it. So sandbox, so I'm gonna put that asterisk here, so it could be sandboxing if that is there. And I would go with monitor, okay, so monitoring, all right. So anything, right, firewall, that's firewall is the security thing. So for security people, it's just asking about firewalls, or you do security part, right? So DNS, everything, they'll do it. But primarily my primary thing what I look for is, instead of mentioning all these things, you could mention everything, or you could do that, all right. But I would say this is what I will look for, okay, and this is what you can execute. And you could start asking question, how did you do the sandboxing and what is that is all about, all right. All right, before I suggest him if this string is working on or not, let me execute this first on Google and see what is that it has been fetching. Okay, so let's check. Let me check in LinkedIn, and definitely LinkedIn gives a very generic and they are not that much helpful. So here it's 1,56,000 results came in with the string, and I'm sure there will be something. I mean, the string is working or the candidates are available, right? Now in this case, let me run an X-ray search on their URL and their title, and I will go with it. And I don't want any job requirements, samples and that sort, or courses. And let me run it and see before I suggest him whether it is working or not. I'm just testing it, and let me put it in here. 460 came in, all right, interesting, all right, yes. So here if you see the resume, let's say Alex resume, right, let's check in Alex resume. Information security risk and threat intelligence analyst, right, penetration tester, consultant, CISSP. It's a security person altogether. So we have given IDS, IPS, right? So there is nothing that we could need to look at it. Definitely that will be there. It's a advanced threat protection experience this person has. And I'm just trying to, you see, I'm doing the control F part. Okay, I'm doing the control F part. Fire I is there 1 and fire I is there 2. Let me read it out. Okay, so here fire I is here, right? Can you see this? Now here this is in the certifications. See, CISSP, GISC, GP, and so much of certifications this person has. At the same time, Fire Eye Eliminator certifications, and this person has been working as a security person, information security, and 2016 to present, information security risk analyst, penetration tester, and threat intelligence analyst, right? So from this also I can pick risk, penetration, threat to build my keyword. All right, so this is what about. So this string is working, and obviously if it is working in here, so it will work in the paid portals as well. So here I would suggest this, make this as your primary string to look for people, and that works. And if you want to add more, you can definitely add this one. All right, you can add monitor, and you can add firewall, that is definitely will be there. You can add proxy, right? Proxies, and DLP. What is the DLP? You just check in there, and you can add it with anything. All right, so this is what my suggestion is for this string. All right, I hope it is helpful for you people as well, and how you are going to create it. All right, thank you so much once again, and I'm going to share if I'm working on other requirements and building strings. All right, take care, and God bless you people. Bye bye.